Hey, it's November 21st. We got the morning market rundown. Let's get into this price action from yesterday and talk about these potential scenarios. So we see yesterday we continued to find support at this previous level of resistance at this 585, 584 area at this 20-day moving average. We're rallying back up into the anchored VWAP election at 593.40 in the pre-market. So yesterday we were looking to see if the SPY could get back above, if the SPY falls back down and rally back above, reclaim the VWAP, rally down, basically giving us this situation right up in here. Rally down, reclaiming the month to date VWAP, 2-day, month to date, week to date, and back above the daily VWAP. And now we're off and we're trading into this election VWAP at this 592.89. So 2 days ago, we were targeting this 594 area as a potential level of interest. Maybe this is now where we do have now just a barcode and we're breaking out above. So maybe this wants to pull back in and get back up into the 600 level, or pull back in, fail under 590 and come back down to 585. So today's situation would be looking for something like this to play out. Is to see, preferably would actually like to see this pull back now down into this 589 area, rally back up, get back above the daily VWAP, and then give us that continuation to that potential 600 area we talked about. And this daily VWAP at this point would look something like, maybe something like this. Probably catches up a little bit as you get some people wanting to buy off the first test of the VWAP. And then maybe the price bounces off it and you get a potential VWAP, and then we could reclaim and then set some type of stop up above this, and we're above the 2-day, week to date, month to date VWAPs. So that's a potential situation for the SPY. Monitor to see if we, instead of rallying up here, we rally up and decline. Monitor a little bit bounce at that 2-day VWAP, and if we continue to fail under, rejecting that daily, then maybe we start to get a failure at the month to date, 2-day, week to date, and that could give us evidence of sellers regaining control and give us a further decline back down into potential level of this 585 and 580 area. Qs. Right. So everything's just flushed out, failed at the week to date VWAP here. So this didn't really come to fruition. However, basically, this is where it did, was we were looking for the failure and the reclaim above the daily VWAP, the month to date VWAP, and now you have some strength and a risk level here. So if you're up early, that was a nice one. But anyways, same situation we're looking here on the SPY. Not sure if we'll get it with NVIDIA's earnings. Maybe this is the chase, but we look at something like this and just kind of start to get maybe undercut the VWAP, and we just get a super trend day. Not predicting that. Maybe we pull back, bounce up, get stuck underneath the VWAP, and then continue to decline, just like we talked about. Undercut this a little bit, get shorts excited, then start to go, or just continue to fail. So that's some mapped out situations to play with for some anticipation. So let's see if we can hold above this 502 level on a pullback. And if we fail at the 502, let's see if we can start to hold above 500 and get back above daily VWAP. And if we fail at the 500, then I think we're poised to see further decline down into this 594. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a good day.